Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a common yet often overlooked issue. How to stop autoplay on YouTube. Autoplay can be a bit of a nuisance, right? It automatically plays videos one after another, which might not always be what you want. So, let's dive in and get this sorted out. And hey, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, sharing, and leaving a comment below. Get rid of it! Step-by-step instructions. First, open your preferred web browser or the YouTube app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Next, sign into your YouTube account. If you're not sure how to do this, look for a sign-in button, usually at the top right corner on a computer, or tap on the profile icon in the app. Go back to the YouTube homepage and click on any video. Find the autoplay toggle next to the closed captions button, CC. It's a simple switch that controls whether videos will automatically play next. Turn this off to disable autoplay. You should notice that once the video ends, the next one doesn't start automatically. And that's it. You've successfully stopped autoplay on YouTube. Simple, right? Remember, if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share this with your friends. Got any questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.